Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and happy 7th day of Chinese New Year. After Xiaomi Pocophone F1 received MIUI 10.2.2 update, it also received the night mode and super slow motion. Is MIUI Camera Night Mode superior than Google Camera Night Sight? This is what we are going to find out in this video. For this comparison, all photos are taken with Pocophone F1 using the MIUI camera and BSG Google Camera port. I will include photos taken with MIUI Camera Night Mode turn off and turn on, and also with Google Camera Night Sight turn off and turn on. Let's start with low light photos where night mode and night sight mainly fall. Google Camera is superior when compared with MIUI Camera. In some situations, you will get brighter photos on MIUI Camera Normal Mode, but you will get better details on Google Camera Normal Mode. MIUI Camera Night Mode does not improve the overall photo much when compared with Google Camera Night Sight. MIUI Camera Night Mode will capture slightly brighter photos than Normal Mode, but it does not capture better details than Google Camera Night Sight. Let's move on to indoor photos with not so well lit situation. When it comes to situation with lights, is the moment where MIUI Camera Night Mode fails. Unlike Google Camera Night Sight, MIUI Camera Night Mode will capture darker and very high contrast photos. Let's move to outdoor photos. MIUI Camera Night Mode has the same behavior when it comes to situation with lights. However, when it comes to daylight photos, it is not as bad as not so well lit situation. You will only get slightly darker with high contrast photos. After looking at so many photos, there is only one conclusion can be made, which is Google Camera is superior in every aspect. Maybe I'm putting too much hope on MIUI Camera Night Mode, where I was hoping that the low light performance could be on par with Google Camera Night Sight. That is all for this comparison. Thank you for watching and Happy Chinese New Year! If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.